Introduce highlight features and quick overview of RRE Robot Vacuum Sweep and Mopping. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Are you still wasting time to sweep and mop your house? Are you still feel the pain of picking up the pet's hair every day? RRE F8S Super 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum created by the latest robotic vacuum cleaner technology can literally save your time and free your hand. Super slim and 360 degrees rotating design of this robot vacuum for the home can clean your house all rounded. Over 20 mm crossing ability and 1800 PA powerful suction can clean up effortlessly. Visual and gyro navigation used in this robot vacuum for a large room precisely captures thousands of precise to create accurate maps. Based on the data collected, the robot vacuum will clean more orderly and efficiently. This makes sure it does not miss a piece of floor in your home. RRE F8S Robotic Vacuum Cleaner combines the sweep, vacuum, and wet mop 3 functions which offer a deep clean to your home. All you need is to download the app and click on the phone screen, then start to control your RRE F8S Robot Vacuum. 3 different cleaning modes and time schedule function to set the cleaning ways and time you like. Every cleaned area will explicitly show on the app and the robot vacuum will automatically get out of stuck. The robotic vacuum cleaner for house also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, which will save you time, energy, and stress. RRE F8S Robot Vacuum has a built-in high-sensitivity sensor to detect surrounding objects to avoid robotic vacuum cleaner collision with the furniture. RoboVac also includes drop sensing technology to avoid it falling down from the stairs. Moreover, the robot vacuum will runs ultra-quiet, which is lower than 60 dB even on max 1800 PA suction. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.